Make a great choice today with the 2026 Silverado 3500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine block heater, privacy glass. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.